That is so beautiful. Thank you, Ayana. Well, today we are unboxing Vitacost or Vitacost, however you say it. We have our supplies. Let's see what we're going to
you said, oh yeah.
have this week. What happened? Wait, stop. You keep pausing it. Stop pausing it, please. Ayana is busy with the camera. She's my camera girl. But we're just opening up the box. Tell them hello. Stop pausing the video. You're pranking me. You're pranking me. Okay. Now we got the box open. Let's see what is inside. Tissue. We can't eat that. Stop, please. Don't pause it anymore. There we go. All right. Here we go. What is this? We have what?
Spelt flower.
Spelt flour. There's 2 bags.
Oh, another.
3 bags.
3 bags. No, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2 bags.
Whoa.
3 bags.
Another 3
5,
bags.
6.
We have 6, 7, 8. 8 bags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, Mama, you counted it wrong.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We don't have long for this. How many seconds we have on that one? 20 seconds or a minute? Okay, what else do we have?
Oh, wait.
More tissue paper.
Ooh, date sugar.
Date sugar. I wonder what we're making. Any guesses to what we're making with all of these wonderful ingredients? Ooh, guess what else we have? What's that?
Flakes.
Spelt flakes. How many packets of spelt flakes do we have? 1, 2,
2,
and
3.
3.
Now we can make oatmeal.
And we also have hemp seeds. So tune in to see what we're going to be making this week. All right, goodbye.
Oh, wait, Mama, we didn't get the last one.
Oh, we got another
9
bags of spelt flour. All right, tune in. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, you guys. Tune in and subscribe to our channel.
Yep, subscribe
Bye-bye.
to our channel. Bye. Mwah.